Chakraborty, and I am highly privileged to announce that I am a first year student at BAU-International University, Batumi, Georgia. And I have come from Republic of India state, West Bengal. This is our main campus of BAU. Let's have a campus tour. This is the main gate, and to be very frank, and I'm very fond of rustic beauty, and our university is surrounded by all the greeneries. It is very, very calm and serene environment at the university. So let's have a look. This is the main gate of our college, and you can see it is very like animal proof, so animals doesn't entry through our college. And additionally, you can see we have lock gates over here, and within the arrival of 1 week of arrival into the university, you will get this. This is a student card, and you have to put this student card in this gate, tap this, and this gate opens then. So you can just take an idea of the hyper security of the campus. It is so much secure that it will be any other person other than the student of our university who doesn't have the access to card will not get access. Here is the library where you can get almost all the books in e-book format, PDF format from the library. If you have the library card, you can have like multiple copies of the same number, same amount of books, same subject, and also many authors are available of your choice. This is the cafeteria of our university, and here you can have food options available from savories to all healthy salads. You can get almost 55 types of coffee over here, and also let me remind you, you have many healthy food options for diet freaks. Like, it's not that you have only unhealthy food options, and you can get them at a very low cost. So let's have another. As you can see, we have lots of chocolate section in the cafeteria for chocolate lovers like me. And trust me, the price is lower than the other markets. Here we have sitting arrangement in the cafeteria. In case you don't like the library, you can just sit at the cafeteria and study, talk with your friends. Let's have another talk with you of the library. So let's dig into the seminar room of BAU-International University. As I already mentioned, that BAU not only puts you into bookworms or couch potatoes, BAU teaches you how to speak properly and how to present yourself. So here you can see we have computers, desktops, and also so much space so that we can do our work which is related to our PowerPoint seminars and also our course designing. Let's have a look at the connections BAU-International University is having with like other colleges in Georgia and other parts of the world. They provide scholarship opportunities and clinical practice opportunities to the students here with almost zero cost of application. And also let me add, if you come under 1 to 10th of your rank during your college, you will get opportunity to do your internship in BAU-International University Mother branch, which is in Istanbul, and also BAU has its connection with Germany, which it has established this year itself. So this was the old classical building of the BAU-International University Batumi branch. Now we are heading our way to the new building, and in between we will also see our playground. The playground of BAU-International University, as we see people practice their sports. This is the volleyball and our intern. this is the new building of BAU-International University, and we have 2 floors over here with spacious classrooms and lecture halls, conference halls, and also washrooms. In both the floors, clean and tidy boys and girls washrooms are available. So now let's have a look at our new campus. BAU-International University has the facility of both staircase and elevators. In case you are having a tiresome day, you can just use the elevators. It is very spacious to the laboratory upper side. So let's have a look. Now let's have a move to the Cadaver dissection lab of BAU. So you can see this is the Cadaver dissection lab of BAU-International University, Batumi, Georgia. And again I would like to mention about the hygienic a Cadaver dissection lab is holding. You can see the equipments, it is well equipped, and each and every equipment is at its place. You can have access of free masks, anatomical models, and also like let me mention, other universities in Georgia doesn't have access to cadavers because they use silicon model of practice. Only BAU-International University, Batumi, Georgia is an exception as it uses real cadavers from Istanbul to teach their students. No other university in Batumi, Georgia has this access, so grab on. Before just jumping onto the actual human body, BAU-International University, Batumi, Georgia provides you with an opportunity to make your learning through the models or puppets which they provide. So you can just see here is a model of a pregnant woman who is lying on her labor. So you can just ace your gynecological skills of deliverance here. So this is unlike other colleges or other university, other hospitals where you just start acing yourself firstly into a human body. So before digging into a human body, you can just have a practice at the models over here. Seminar class, as I have mentioned from the very earlier, BAU is well equipped, and in each and every rooms of BAU you will get the promised material they have already mentioned in the signboards. So let's have a look. So for more details and a clearer picture of understanding, BAU provides you with all the necessary anatomical models of equipments. You can have a look. Structure of human brains I have ever seen. As we know that the human brain is divided into 2 hemispheres by the corpus callosum. You can just go through all the portions through this model and have a look. These are properly numbered for you to understand it properly. So as promised, BAU provides you an enhanced medical knowledge and also prepares you for all the international exams such as USMLE and PLAB free of a cost. The basic framework of medical knowledge is solely based on human physiology, and again BAU has the access of the best physiology labs, and the physiology curriculum here in BAU is fully as per as the Indian Medical Council. So let's have a look. The BAU laboratory is only designed for a few students to come at once and work, so that there is not a crowd of students. We students get split into groups one by one and do our work over here. For example, BAU-International University will not accommodate more than 10 students at a time at their laboratory, so that there is no jumbling of the work. So you can see the microscopes here are all electron microscope. You can trust me, you can have a proper picture of each and every microcells present in your body through the specialized electron microscopes available here. And also BAU doesn't crowd the laboratory, so each and every student has access to proper learning of the microorganisms or the micro samples present in your body. So as you can see, this is the latest model of educational microscope we can have. This is the eyepiece, this is the nose piece, and this is where we place our sample. This entire microscope is completely clean, and all I can promise you, all of the microscopes present in BAU lab works well. Additionally, we have our seminars at the blackboard present at the back side of the microscope. So yeah, you can, this is a lab-based, so you can just have an idea of the lab-based learning at present at BAU-International University. Here is the biochemistry laboratory. Let's have a look at the laboratory again. Here are the chemical equipments like DNA cleavers, DNA centrifuges, and here let's have a look at the biochemical microscopes, here is a specialized biochemical microscopes for us to look at the biochemical samples of various factors, and you have test tube stands just present just above the microscope, so everything is quietly accessible to you.